Hey everybody, Mighty Ox here. News coming out again tonight from Apex Trader Funding. You knew one had to be coming up. Apex Trader Funding 80% off flash sale. They don't go much more than 2 weeks between sales. It's been about that since their last one. Here's their Valentine's Day flash sale. 80% off lifetime. Let's take a look at what you can get, shall we? 80% off all accounts. Again, this runs until 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Valentine's Day, February 14th. Let's run down the prices for you. That way you don't have to do the math. 25K account, the price is $29.40. 50K account, $33.40. 75K account, $37.40. 100K, $41.40. The 150K account, $59.40. 250K account, $103.40. The 300K account, $131.40. And the 100K static drawdown is $27.40. Make sure you use code LKEIWFHP. It'll be in the video description below, so you don't have to type that out. You can just copy and paste it as well as the link. Yep, another Apex Trader Funding sale. Everybody waits for these. I wonder if they ever get any sales at their regular 50% off. Because everyone knows they're coming. Take advantage of it. Maybe one day they'll stop. Anyway, just all we have for you tonight. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.